Overnight on March 3rd, the Kremlin announced that they were attacked by drones in an apparent assassination attempt of Vladimir Putin. Now, Moscow residents reported hearing 2 explosions. In a statement afterwards, Putin noted specifically that he had survived an assassination attempt from 2 drones. Now, according to the Russian state-sponsored media, TASS specifically, no injuries were reported. There are a couple key points with this video, though, that I'd like to point out to you, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this video in the comments. First and foremost, I'd like to talk a little bit about these 2 personnel scaling the left side of the dome. This could be pretty easily explained as a security team. The White House and Pentagon both have known security teams that are stationed on the rooftops. Alternatively, and as is being suggested elsewhere, this could be a team essentially laying in wait for a known and planned attack. In a statement, the Kremlin described this attack as a planned terrorist attack and an attempted assassination on the president of Russia. They also noted that retaliatory measures would be coming. What would that mean? Another issue I have with this video is the relative accuracy of this drone. The relative historical accuracy of drones in this war is evident in all of the videos that show munitions being dropped into hatches and being flown directly into moving vehicles, all of which are infinitely smaller targets than the Kremlin itself. The Kremlin's not a small building. Of course, and as always, we're interested in your thoughts. Let us know down in the comments what you think about this attack, and let us know what you think Russia's retaliatory measures might be. Hit the like, sub, bell, and stay informed.